Ever seen those shaky, poorly lit videos with muffled sound? The kind where you can barely make out what's happening, and the audio is a constant buzz of background noise? We've all encountered them, those amateur videos that, while well-intentioned, just don't quite hit the mark. They often leave you feeling more confused than informed, struggling to decipher the message buried beneath the poor quality. We've all been there. Whether you're trying to learn a new skill, watch a product review, or simply enjoy some entertainment. Encountering low-quality video can be incredibly frustrating. It can kill your momentum, waste your time, and leave you feeling disappointed with the overall experience. Now, imagine taking that same idea, that same script, that same passion, but instead of relying on your phone's camera and hoping for the best, you use the power of AI. Imagine transforming that shaky footage into something polished and professional with just a few clicks. Suddenly your video is sharp, the details are crisp and the image is vibrant, no more struggling to see what's going on, professional with a level of polish that rivals even studio-produced content. The lighting is perfect, the framing is ideal and the overall aesthetic is pleasing to the eye, and the presenter looks and sounds flawless. Articulation is clear, the delivery is engaging, and the overall presentation is captivating. No more stumbles, awkward pauses, or distracting background noises. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. The transformation is real, and the results are truly astonishing. Seeing the before and after comparison is enough to make anyone a believer. AI video tools like Synthesia are revolutionizing content creation, democratizing the process, and empowering individuals and businesses alike, making it fast and accessible for everyone. No matter your background, technical skills, or budget, you can now create high-quality videos that effectively communicate your message. You can turn a rough laptop tutorial into a polished video in minutes. Imagine taking a screen recording of a software demonstration and transforming it into a professional-looking training video, complete with engaging visuals and clear narration. No more worrying about camera presence or messy backgrounds. You can say goodbye to the stress of setting up the perfect shot or feeling self-conscious in front of the camera. Just feed your script into the platform, whether it's a detailed outline, a fully written speech, or even just a few key bullet points. Pick an AI avatar, choosing from a diverse range of digital presenters that match your brand and target audience. And let the tech handle the rest. The AI will automatically generate the video, synchronizing the avatar's lip movements with your script and adding engaging visuals to bring your message to life. The result? Consistent high-quality videos every time. A portfolio of polished content that showcases your expertise and captivates your audience. This levels the playing field, giving smaller businesses and individual creators the opportunity to compete with larger organizations that have traditionally dominated the video landscape. Now anyone with a great idea can compete, not just big-budget studios. The focus shifts from production value to the quality of the content itself, allowing innovative ideas to shine through. Forget expensive gear and endless hours learning editing software. The barriers to entry have been significantly lowered, making video creation accessible to a wider audience. You don't even have to appear on camera. For those who are camera shy or simply prefer to work behind the scenes, AI video offers a perfect solution. The AI becomes your presenter, delivering your message with professionalism and charisma without you ever having to step in front of the lens. Studio, providing a virtual environment that enhances the visual appeal of your video and creates a more immersive experience for your viewers, and editor all at once, streamlining the entire video creation process and freeing you up to focus on other important tasks. That means you can focus on what matters, your message and your story, crafting compelling narratives, developing engaging content, and connecting with your audience on a deeper level. Traditional video production takes days or weeks, involving multiple people, complex equipment, and a lengthy post-production process. AI video takes minutes. From initial concept to finished product, the entire process can be completed in a fraction of the time. Draft a script in the morning, publish a finished video before lunch. This speed and efficiency allows you to stay agile, respond quickly to market trends, and consistently deliver fresh content to your audience. This speed is a game changer for marketing, enabling you to create more video content, test different strategies, and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Education, making it easier than ever to create engaging and informative learning materials that cater to diverse learning styles, and internal comms, streamlining communication within organizations and ensuring that employees are well informed and engaged. professional video is now not just better in terms of visual quality and production value, but incredibly efficient, saving you time, money, and resources while still delivering exceptional results. The future of content creation is here, a future where AI empowers anyone to create professional quality videos with ease, and it's accessible to everyone. Regardless of your background, skills, or budget, you can now harness the power of AI to bring your ideas to life and share your story with the world. In today's fast-paced digital world, video content reigns supreme. But what if you could harness the power of video without ever needing a camera? Why is camera-free AI video such a breakthrough? What makes it so revolutionary? It democratizes professional video creation, making it easy and accessible for everyone, regardless of their technical skills or prior experience. No longer is high-quality video production limited to those with expensive equipment and specialized training. Forget about the anxieties of being on camera. No need to worry about your appearance, feeling self-conscious, or spending hours perfecting your on-screen presence. Say goodbye to the stress of finding the perfect background or even your voice if you prefer not to use it. The AI handles the on-screen persona with a professional avatar, so your ideas, your message, and your content take center stage, shining brightly without any distractions. This is a game changer, a true revolution for anyone who's camera shy, introverted, or simply doesn't enjoy being in front of a lens. It's also a lifesaver for those who are constantly pressed for time and juggling multiple responsibilities. Just write your script, focusing on the core message you want to convey, pick an avatar that aligns with your brand and target audience, and let the AI present your content with clarity and precision. You can revise content instantly, make tweaks, add updates, or refine your message with ease. Just edit the text and regenerate the video, and the changes are reflected immediately. Perfect for training modules, internal communications, marketing campaigns, or rapid updates that need to be disseminated quickly. AI video also makes multilingual content simple, breaking down language barriers and expanding your reach. Translate your script into any language, and the AI avatar delivers it fluently in another language, ensuring your message resonates with diverse audiences. No more complex dubbing processes, expensive voiceover artists, or time-consuming reshoots. Now anyone can reach a global audience with ease, creating a truly connected world through the power of AI video. I've made over 100 videos with Synthesia, and it's changed my workflow. For quick updates, tutorials, or social explainers, it's a lifesaver. No need to set up lights, cameras, or record voiceovers. I've saved thousands, both in money and precious time. For example, creating a series of training modules used to take days. Now I script them, batch produce, and finish in hours. Need to update a process? Just edit the script and regenerate the video. This agility keeps content current without the dread of reshoots. Synthesia is now my go-to for fast professional videos. No on-camera stress required. It's the perfect complement to my main channel work. Ready to dive into the exciting world of AI video creation? Creating videos with AI has never been easier, and it's a fantastic way to engage your audience. Here's how you can make your very first AI video. Step 1. Sign up for a user-friendly platform like Synthesia. Take some time to explore and get familiar with the dashboard. Understand where all the tools and options are located. This will make the creation process much smoother. Step 2. Set your video resolution and aspect ratio to match your intended platform. 1080p and 16:9 are great for most uses, especially for platforms like YouTube and Vimeo, but feel free to experiment with other settings. Next, upload a custom background that reflects your brand's identity. Or, if you prefer, pick from pre-designed options that are readily available for consistent branding. Step 3. Choose your AI avatar to be the face of your video. Carefully pick one that fits your brand or resonates with your target audience. Consider factors like age, attire, and overall demeanor. These elements all matter in conveying the right message. Some platforms even let you create a fully custom avatar, giving you complete control over the presentation. But remember, stock options often work perfectly well for most projects. Step 4. Write your script. This is where your message comes to life. To ensure clarity, keep sentences short and clear. Use simple punctuation to guide the AI's delivery, and strategically add pauses for a more natural and engaging delivery. If your script includes tricky or uncommon words, be sure to use the pronunciation guide to ensure accurate pronunciation. Remember, a well-written script is the very foundation of a great AI video, so invest your time and effort here for the best possible results. Now let's make your video stand out. Add your logo for instant brand recognition. Adjust its size and placement for a clean, professional look. Support your message with relevant images or video clips. Show concepts visually. Don't just talk about them. Use text overlays to highlight key points or calls to action. Keep text concise, readable, and on-brand. Make sure visuals and text appear in sync with the script. Avoid clutter. Every element should enhance your message. Refine each scene for balance and clarity. These touches elevate your AI video from good to great. Once you've mastered the basics, explore advanced features. Use built-in screen recording for tutorials or demos. Combine screen captures with your AI avatar for dynamic videos. Break your video into multiple scenes with smooth transitions. Each scene can have unique backgrounds or visuals for variety. Translate scripts and generate videos in multiple languages, perfect for global reach. Lip sync tech makes translations look natural. Upload custom backgrounds or subtle video loops for a polished look. Add clickable calls to action to drive engagement. These features turn simple presentations into powerful, interactive tools. Even with user-friendly tools, you might hit a few snags. If the avatar sounds robotic or mispronounces words, tweak your script for natural flow. Use phonetic spelling or pronunciation guides for tricky terms. Add pauses for better cadence. If visuals or lip sync seem off, regenerate the segment or adjust timing. Always use high-resolution assets for crisp output. Adjust avatar framing for the right on-screen presence. Double-check that images and text sync with the script. Remember, AI video tools like Synthesia make pro-quality video fast and easy. We've covered setup, scripting, branding, advanced features, and troubleshooting. The key, don't be afraid to experiment. Dive in and try it for yourself. You'll be amazed at what you can create.